to set and volume up keys as high contrast fonts in Samsung Galaxy S20. Open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the home screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap advanced settings, and then select set and volume up keys. You must turn on set and volume up keys. Tap switch until on if off, tap switch until on, and then tap high contrast and switch until blue to enable and disable other option. After selected accessibility settings, by quickly pressing the set and volume up keys at the same time and tap the button to save. Now set and volume up keys set as high contrast fonts. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.